Welcome to Fitness Fanatics Health Club. I'd just like to start by taking a few personal details, if I may. Your full name is...
Julie Ann Edmondson.
Thank you. And you're 23, Julie, is that right?
Yes. Oh, actually, no, 24. It was my birthday last week.
And can I have a contact telephone number, please?
Yes, it's 0798 674 5689.
And what's the best time to contact you?
Oh, after work would be better, really. Any time between, say, 6 and 9 p.m.
Fine. Now, in a little while, we'll do some fitness tests, and I'll ask you a bit more about your medical history. But first of all, I'd like to know a little more about why you've decided to join the gym. What kind of exercise do you do at the moment?
Well, I do quite a bit of walking. I bought myself a pedometer last year, and I'm trying to do at least 10,000 steps a day. I don't always make it, though.
That's great. Walking's a good start. And do you get much exercise at work?
No, not really. It's pretty much a desk job, you see. There's a lot of sitting down. That's one of the reasons I felt I needed to join the gym.
Yes. So what specific benefits are you looking for from joining the gym? For example, would you like to lose weight or just get fitter?
I'm quite happy with my weight, but I'd like to keep it this way.
Weight maintenance then. Anything else? Fitness goals?
Yes, although I'm doing the walking, it doesn't leave me out of breath, you know. I don't feel that I really get a lot of aerobic exercise, so I'd like to increase that.
Yes, that's fine. I think there are a number of ways we could help you achieve your targets. How many times a week were you thinking of coming, and for how long?
Well, I know I should come 3 times a week, but if I'm honest, it's only going to be twice a week, for about an hour or so.
Are you interested in doing any classes, or would you rather just use the gym?
I'm not sure. What classes do you have?
Oh, quite a range. We have a new class that's very popular, Zumba. That's all about getting a workout by dancing to Latin music. It's on a Wednesday night at 6:30.
That sounds interesting, but I'm not great at dancing, really. I prefer swimming. Do you have any aqua aerobics classes?
Yes, we do. On a Thursday evening at 6 p.m. Shall I put you down for that?
Yes, I'll give it a try. And what about the gym? Will someone show me round?
Yes, we'll need to make an appointment with one of our fitness instructors. Could you come tomorrow evening?
I could, but I'd rather come on Friday if that's possible. Any time after 7 p.m.
OK, then. You have an appointment at 7 with Mark.
Oh, I think I prefer to have a female trainer, actually.
No problem. Siobhan is free at 7 p.m. as well.
Could you spell that, please?
Siobhan.
Thanks, that's great.